It started fucking cutting again. Good morning, people of the internet. Today is a very, very special day because today I am going to my first competition. In today's video, we are competing in the SCCA Pocono's time trial. I'm actually super fucking hyped. When you're seeing this video, it's gonna be long gone. I'm super hyped because this is what we've been working towards with all these track days and everything like that. It's currently 4:45 in the morning, so I don't know how I have this much energy, but we're about an hour away from the Wawa last time I went. We're gonna go get some food right now, and then it's 20 minutes from that Wawa to the track, and then we're gonna set up. Tech opens up at about 6:45, so get through tech, get my transponder, do check-ins, and then there is a time trials novice meeting at 7:30-ish. So maybe, you know, set up the car and everything like that, but try to get some sleep in a little bit more. I went to bed at like 11. I woke up at around 3:30, 4 a.m. But otherwise, just set up the car, unpack everything. And this event is going to be a Saturday and Sunday night event. So similar to how Grid Life was, where it was a 2-day thing, this is gonna be another 2-day event, which is gonna be exciting. And this time I'm actually camping out on the paddock. So I have my tent, I don't know if you can see all the stuff back there. I got a pillow, I got my tent, camping gear. So that'll be fun. This will be the first time ever doing something like that. So all good things all around. I will pick this up when we're at the track. So just to wrap that session up, turns out I was in the wrong group. I was put in group 1, and that's like the fast guys. I am supposed to be in group 2 with the novice group. So that's why all those cool cars were there, and Jackie Ding was right behind me. I had to let him pass instantly, but I spun out a little bit. The car's fine. It just seems like it just picked up some grass. Thankfully, I saw in my rearview mirror that there was a Corvette literally coming around the corner, and I hit the brakes as hard as possible. Yeah, I mean, he swerved out the way, so that's always good. Now it's time to kind of regroup, figure out all the camera stuff, and get this lap timer working and get ready for the next session, which is in about a couple hours, because they impounded me for this one for going in the wrong group, which is fine. I mean, I got track time anyway, so I'm not upset about it, and I got track time with some fast cars. So we're gonna see how this goes. The car is fine, I'm fine, that's all that matters. So we shall see. There is some fast fucking competition here. Holy shit. freaking cutting again. I'm not sure what is going on. I have no idea. I don't even know what my best lap was. 2:16 was my best lap. 2 seconds faster, which is good, but fuck, dude. I honestly think it's fuel starvation because I'm half tank right now, and it's only around the corner of the straight, so I'm assuming it's just sloshing. Who knows? So we just finished that next session. I'm gonna put up the lap time. So this was our first actual session. We did have practice, as well as we also had pace laps before that, but now this was our first legit session, and I got a 2:16.88, which I thought was pretty good. The car is cutting power yet again. I'm not sure what it is. I actually do think it's fuel starvation. So I was running the car on half a tank, and with a lot of these curves and corners, I don't think it's the pump is picking it up and stuff like that, so I'm not really sure. So what I did was I filled the car all the way back up. It's sitting pretty much at full. I hope that fixes the issue. I have no idea if it is. I scanned the car, and the car threw 2 codes, one thermostatic code saying that it's not coming up to operating temp, but it is. I didn't notice any coolant temps rising either or anything like that, so I'm not really sure. The other one is a brake switch. That's always been there. That's completely fine. Yeah, hopefully this is resolved and it's just fuel starvation. That way I can continue. I checked the pressures and all that stuff. We're all good there now. I have it sitting around 31, 32 PSI all around. So hopefully it'll be okay. I noticed a little bit of understeering on the second infield on the smaller, tighter turns. So maybe dropping it a little bit more to, you know, start some more oversteer. We'll see how that goes, but otherwise kind of just sitting tight. Since I switched classes, we're kind of dead last in the novice group, so I think this next session it'll reevaluate itself and we should be good to go from there. But yeah, super fun, super exciting, and kind of just hanging out, seeing what's going on. I just want to make a little video, show you guys my sleeping arrangements for tonight. We have 2 more sessions still, but I just set up my tent. You know, living in lavish. I'm almost died. That was so scary. Thank you.
It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. How's it going?
Good, man. It's that second infield, man. That thing fucks me up every time.
Oh,
The second infield going into it. I mean, granted, I was chasing a time, so there's that. But I just spun out all four into like that rock patch. So I'm assuming it's gonna be a bunch of rocks down there. So we'll see. Is anything hanging? Do you?
Seen anything if you want to go back out?
Yeah, I mean, I'd love to. I'd probably take it a little easy, but I'll let them pass me.
Can you make an announcement? I have almost
got time.
no options here.
Cool.
They should be out.
Holy shit. This track day has definitely given me a lot of fucking experience going on, that's for damn sure. This track is actually a hell of a lot of fun. I'm enjoying it a lot. It's just that last bit is so difficult to get around for some reason. The car gets so unstable and it's just like it gets thrown around so fast. I'm not sure how to take that at all, but I'm glad I'm okay. That was, I wouldn't say that was definitely scary. That was for sure scary. I can't even say you're alive. I don't know what it is, like you're getting into this flow state where it's just like, okay, it's whatever. You just want to get back out on track. Hopefully there isn't some major damage to the car. I did go over a bunch of rocks, so I do expect rocks to be underneath. I'm gonna jack up the car, I'm gonna check it out and all that stuff. But the car didn't, it's literally the fuel cut, that's what it was. The car did not sputter at all. So that's good news. So update with the car, spun off last session. So right now I'm trying to get all these rocks out and everything like that. So I'm gonna take the caliper off. This one's making the most noise. So I think this one's the culprit. Shake everything out and then go for a little test run around the paddock and see if it still makes noise, but I think we should be good. So car is back together, just took it out for another drive. It's good. It's not making any noises. It was just really a bunch of rocks everywhere, but the car is good. Ultimately, I'll put up the times here. Got a 2:13. I'm placed in, so in group 3, session 3, I placed 9th in my overall class. I'm still 5th. The guy in front of me in 4th, he's currently doing a 2:09. He is going 4 seconds faster. That's gonna be a tough one to beat, but we'll see. Maybe tomorrow on the different orientation, I can hit a faster time. But nonetheless, the car is good. That's what's important to me right now. I'm gonna go hang out with a bunch of other guys and kind of just pick it up later in the night. This is pretty much the, you know, the idea for camping. I got my sleeping bag and all that stuff, little mat. And we're literally right out on the paddock. I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna make day 2 a part 2, just because today recapped a lot in terms of learning the car, learning what the issues are, learning the lines of this track, and like just the configuration altogether, going into it blind and all that stuff. So I wanna make this video as like in-depth as possible. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow.